Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 insanely cool gadgets that will make your home and kitchen smarter, cleaner, and way more fun to be in. From robot vacuums to coffee wizardry, you're gonna want to stick around for these. Let's get started.
Number 1. Grilling is fun. Cleaning the mess after, not so much. That's where the Grillbot swoops in. Just pop it on your grill, press a button, and it scrubs away all that stubborn grease and char with its 3 spinning nylon brushes. No elbow grease needed. While you're sipping a cold drink, it's doing all the dirty work. It even beeps when it's done. Whether you're a barbecue weekend warrior or a full-on pitmaster, this gadget is a serious upgrade. And let's be honest, it makes a killer gift too. Father's Day, birthdays, or just because your dad's grill deserves better. The built-in timer and alarm keep things simple, and its compact design means it won't hog space. If you love cooking but hate the cleanup, Grillbot's your new best friend. Number 2. Craving that perfect cup of coffee without the cafe run? The GE Profile Smart Grind and Amp Brew Coffee Maker lets you enjoy fresh, custom coffee right at home. No pods, no compromises. Whether you're brewing for one or for the whole household, it adapts with ease. The built-in burr grinder offers 6 grind settings, so every bean hits just the right note for your taste. With a massive 90 ounces water tank, you're not constantly refilling, even if you're hosting a crowd. Want your coffee bold and strong, or mellow and smooth? You can tweak everything: brew volume, strength, even the bloom time. Plus, voice control adds that hands-free magic to your morning routine. And the SCA certification? That means this isn't just another gadget. It's a serious upgrade for true coffee lovers. It's like having your own barista, minus the small talk. Number 3. Imagine never sipping lukewarm coffee again. That's what the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug is all about. Keeping your drink at the perfect temperature for up to 90 minutes or all day when it's on the coaster. Whether you're deep into work or just savoring a slow morning, it quietly handles your hot drink just the way you like it. With or without the app, it remembers your settings and even lights up to let you know when your drink's just right. The smart sensors detect when there's liquid inside and wake up automatically, then go to sleep when you're done, like it knows your routine. And cleaning? A breeze. Just hand wash it and you're good to go. It's sleek, thoughtful, and honestly, it feels like the mug version of having your coffee dialed in perfectly every single time. Great for your desk or as a gift for someone who treats coffee like a ritual. Number 4. Say hello to the Yeti Cube, your new favorite cleaning sidekick. This all-in-one robot doesn't just vacuum. It mops, washes its mop, empties itself, and even dries off to avoid that funky damp smell. With 5,100 Pascal suction and a 180-minute runtime, it handles everything from pet hair to crumb chaos on hardwood and carpets like a champ. The best part? It empties its dustbin automatically and seals it for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for weeks. Its massive 1,000 milliliters water tank means fewer refills, and the mop lifts when it glides over rugs. No more soggy carpet accidents. Whether you're juggling work, kids, or just want less on your to-do list, Yeti Cube has it handled. It even works with Alexa and avoids getting stuck thanks to its smart visual and laser navigation. Honestly, this little robot might just be better at cleaning than any of us. Number 5. Measuring ingredients just got simpler with this Amazon Basics digital kitchen scale. It's sleek, compact, and seriously handy whether you're baking, portioning meals, or counting macros. The food-safe surface and stainless steel platform keep it both safe and stylish on any kitchen counter. It handles everything from featherlight herbs to hefty meal prep up to 11 pounds, with easy-to-read results on the wide LCD screen. Switch between grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, or fluid ounces with a tap. The tare function is a game changer. Just place your container, zero it out, and measure only what matters. And since it runs on 2 AAA batteries, it's ready to go right out of the box. No cords, no hassle. Lightweight and just over an inch thick, it slides easily into a drawer when you're done. Whether you're a casual cook or a precision-minded food nerd, this little gadget earns its spot. Number 6. Tired of messy drawers that feel more like junk zones? These clear plastic organizers from VTop Mart turn chaos into calm in minutes. With 25 trays in 4 smart sizes, they let you mix and match to fit any space, from your bathroom vanity to kitchen drawers, office supplies, or even your makeup stash. They're transparent, so you can instantly spot what you need without digging around. The included silicone pads keep them from sliding all over the place, and they're durable enough to handle daily use. When you're not using them, just stack them up and tuck them away. They hardly take up space. And cleanup is easy. A quick wipe, and they're good as new. Whether you're sorting pins, paper clips, lipsticks, or ladles, these bins make your drawers look like they were professionally organized. It's that little everyday upgrade that makes a big difference. Number 7. If creamy foam is your love language, the Zule Milk Frother will be your new obsession. This handheld wonder whips up rich, velvety froth in seconds. No barista required. Whether you're into lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot cocoa, it takes your drinks from basic to cafe level with just one button. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, so you can use it anywhere, no cords in sight. The sleek metal stand keeps it ready to go on your counter, and cleanup is ridiculously easy. Just rinse and spin under hot water. Plus, it's compact enough to tuck away in a drawer, though it looks pretty good chilling next to your coffee gear. No mess, no fuss, just frothy goodness on demand. It's one of those tiny tools that quietly becomes a daily ritual. Number 8. Say goodbye to fuzzy sweaters and worn-out-looking blankets. The Butyrol Fabric Shaver is here to breathe new life into your wardrobe and home fabrics. It glides over clothes and upholstery with ease, removing lint, fluff, and pilling like a pro. With adjustable speeds, 3 shaving heights, and different hole sizes, it adapts beautifully to everything from delicate wool to everyday cotton. The stainless steel blades are long-lasting, and they even come with 2 extras for the long haul. There's a spacer to protect your finer pieces, and if you're tackling stubborn fuzz in tough spots, just remove it for a closer pass. The safety lock is a thoughtful touch too. It won't run unless everything's securely in place. Whether it's sweaters, bed sheets, or your favorite hoodie, this battery-powered tool quietly keeps them all looking fresh, polished, and just like new, without needing a trip to the dry cleaners. Number 9. If you want a hand dryer that doesn't mess around, the AI Key Elephant Power is a beast in the best way. Its stainless steel shell is as tough as it looks and built to survive constant use in busy restrooms. Think airports, gyms, or even your business space. With a wind speed reaching 145 miles per hour, it dries your hands in just 8 to 12 seconds, like a jet engine for your palms. Plus, it's smart. Only turns on the heat when the room's chilly, so it saves serious energy. Setup's simple too. Plug it into an outlet or hardwire it, whatever fits your space. The noise? Manageable at 76 decibels, especially for the power it packs. And the airflow? It's like an elephant exhale, strong and efficient. This thing doesn't just dry hands, it makes an impression. If rugged, reliable, and fast is what you're after, this dryer's got your back, and your hands. Number 10. Don't let their size fool you. These little black magnets are tiny powerhouses. Each one holds over 15 sheets of paper, or a whole pile of sticky notes, keeping everything from grocery lists to work reminders securely in place. They've got a smooth, stylish finish thanks to a triple-layer coating of black paint, nickel, and copper, so they're built to last and look sleek on any surface. Measuring just under ½ an inch, they won't block what you're posting, and the easy grip design makes moving them a breeze. Use them on fridges, whiteboards, office cabinets, classroom charts, or even on maps if you're planning your next adventure. Whether you're keeping track of schedules or hanging up your kids' artwork, these magnets bring just the right blend of strength, style, and simplicity to everyday organization. It's a small upgrade that seriously pulls its weight. Number 11. Keeping floors spotless just got way easier with these reusable microfiber mop pads. Whether you're sweeping up after a playful pup or tackling everyday dust and spills, these pads are your go-to cleaning sidekick. Use them dry for trapping dust or wet for lifting dirt. They're super absorbent and grab onto pet hair like magnets. Made from durable chenille microfiber, they're washable and built to last, saving you from constantly buying disposable refills. They're a perfect fit for 10 to 12-inch flat mops like the Swiffer Sweeper, though just a heads up, they're not made for XL or vacuum models. They glide smoothly across hardwood, tile, marble, and more, giving every surface a thorough, gentle clean without scratching. Best part? Toss them in the wash when you're done, and they're ready for round 2. Smart, simple, and seriously satisfying. Your floors have never looked better. Number 12. If you've ever struggled with a cluttered kitchen counter or needed a dish rack that travels as well as you do, the ThanStar Collapsible Dish Drying Rack is a total game changer. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe, eco-friendly, and designed to collapse flat when not in use, perfect for small kitchens or stashing under the sink. It pops up when needed and has a built-in section for utensils, keeping everything neat and in place. Whether you're using it at home or packing it for your next camping trip or RV getaway, it handles dishes, glasses, and silverware with ease. The swivel drain lets water flow directly into the sink, so your counters stay dry, and the sturdy construction means no rust or scratches to worry about. Easy to wipe clean and surprisingly spacious for such a compact tool, this rack proves that small storage can still deliver big organization.